The Supreme Court earlier today has adjourned the hearing in the entire case for July the 18th. That is next Thursday. But what has happened in the court earlier, the details of the affidavit that have been presented by both the centre and the NTA are important. Do remember, both the centre and the NTA have denied allegations of any kind of mass malpractice. Times Now has accessed the affidavits filed by both the agencies. Now, first up, about the centre. The centre in its affidavit that it filed on the directions of the Supreme Court has said that technical analysis of the NEET 2024 data shows that neither was there any indication of a mass malpractice, nor was there any local set of candidates being benefited. It also underscores that technical analysis is being carried out by experts at IIT Madras. And citing this analysis, the affidavit says that there is neither any indication of a mass malpractice nor any localized set of candidates that got benefited that led to any kind of abnormal scores. It also says that there has been an overall increase in the marks that have been obtained by students, specifically when it comes to the range of 550 to 720. 720, keep in mind, is the perfect score. Now, this increase is seen across the cities and centres. It also mentions that this is attributed to a 25% reduction in syllabus. In addition, candidates obtaining such high marks are spread across multiple cities and multiple centres. And this, they say, indicates a very less likelihood of any kind of wrongdoing. Now, let's talk about the NTA. The NTA, remember, is the nodal agency that conducts this exam. Now, the NTA also has filed an affidavit. It also denies any mass malpractice. In its affidavit, the NTA says that toppers are scattered across 95 centres in 56 cities. Then it also says that the claim of the petitioner that the number of students scoring high marks are only from a particular centre is completely baseless. In this regard, it says that the result of the top 100 candidates is analysed. It has been reported that they are distributed across 95 centres located in 56 cities across different states and union territories. And that is the reason why they believe that because there is a diverse distribution, this highlights the widespread participation and competitive spirit among students from different regions and educational backgrounds.
IITM, a survey they have done across the nature of paper leak, they're very clear it is contained. It is not, the paper leak did not go to multiple people. It is contained, it is very localized. That is what the central government through its affidavit has said in the Supreme Court also, which in a way the Supreme Court has also accepted over the last 1 week of deliberation. If you see, the Supreme Court has also in a way is giving time and space. Supreme Court also mentioned a couple of days back, it doesn't seem to be a widespread leak. So we are very sure the NTA, whatever reforms has to come in, is coming at one end. Other end, it's a very localized leak which is contained, so that the fear mongering of opposition parties can be put to rest now.
But the opposition says we are not fear mongering, they are real concerns, and that is the reason why a thorough investigation, they say, is warranted.
मुझे लगता है कि पेपर लीक इस सरकार का सबसे बड़ा फेल्योर है, सबसे बड़ा। लाखों युवाओं का भविष्य उससे जुड़ा हुआ है और माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री जी की जो जवाबदेही है, लगातार वो उससे भागते रहे हैं। उनके बयान गैर जिम्मेदाराना रहे हैं और चूंकि आज सुनवाई है तो सीबीआई की रिपोर्ट में क्या कहा गया है, जो दोषी हैं उनको सजा मिल पाएगी या नहीं मिल पाएगी, ये मुझे लगता है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आज सुनवाई होने दीजिए। जो तथ्य सामने आते हैं उसके बाद ज्यादा बातें कही जा सकती हैं, लेकिन प्रथम दृष्टया सबसे बड़ी बात है कि सरकार की विफलता है और भाजपा शासित जितने राज्य हैं ज्यादातर तार पेपर लीक के वहीं से जुड़े हुए हैं।